Hey Adam, thanks for joining us. So tell me a little bit about your background, or tell some of our prospective students about your background and things that drew you into focusing on operations.
So I have a bachelor's and a master's in mechanical engineering. Worked in aerospace for about 3 years. As far as operations goes, I felt like my career goals would be best achieved by seeking a concentration in operations. My background kind of lends itself to the operations discipline, project management, process management. Some of the things that I was involved with in my previous work have kind of prepared me to move into an operations concentration.
Sure.
In my internship this last summer, I was pretty much requested to carry out an engineering project where there was a process that needed to be updated. There were some safety and some capacity and productivity issues with this process. And I went in and drew on my experience as an engineer, my background is in engineering, to come up with some pretty specific designs and some other things that I later walked around to a lot of people to get buy-in, management, safety, things like that. From an operations standpoint, this one part of the process kind of fit into a larger picture, and in order for the product to be completed and finalized properly, it had to go through this one process that they had me working on. And so, especially safety opportunities, and that's one thing that especially in manufacturing gets emphasized very heavily, is making sure that you're not only kicking out a good product, but you're doing it safely.
Okay. And was doing all this in a business setting instead of in a government aerospace setting, was that fundamentally different, or did you find a lot of commonalities there?
There were a lot of commonalities. In my previous employment with ATK, it was a government contract with strong specifications, but no more than you would see with any of your other customers. We treated all of our customers the same. We gave them all the same level of high quality product, and our goal was to exceed the customer's expectations as much as we could.
So Adam, tell me about some things that you did well in preparing for your new operations career, and tell me about what kind of advice you would give to incoming students focusing in operations.
Okay. Some of the things I did well, I kind of set myself up for a good run coming into the program. My background in engineering, I thought, was a very strong point coming in, but I had to leverage that in order to show that I was indeed interested in moving from an engineering, the specific engineering, into kind of an engineering/business, career path. Advice that I would have for incoming students is to be involved. Don't be afraid to get out of your comfort zone, meet new people, go to the activities. The networking opportunities can be very valuable. Go to the club meetings, and above all, go to class. If you're going to be in the program, give it everything you got, and it'll pay off in the end. So.
All right. Thanks, Adam.
Mm-hmm.